Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Babak Nia, and today I'm going to talk for you about 501 relay, Schweitzer production or manufacturing production, SEL-501. So go to edit mode, move your mouse cursor to the right side and pick your overcurrent relay. Click on this overcurrent relay, go to input and try to set primary and secondary current for your current transformer in input section. So definitely you remember I said I'm not using any current transformer. I need to set my current transformer specification manually. Let's go to OCR. Click on library. In manufacturer, type S and try to find Schweitzer. There is a different type of model for overcurrent relay. Among them, I'm going to choose 501. So choose 501 relay and press OK. My pickup range is between 0.1 to 3.2. Let's pick up this pickup range to 0.5 to 16. Selected curve for my relay is C1. So I can choose C2, C3, C4, U1, U2, U3, and U4. Two different standards, IEC and US standard. So let's pick C2, very inverse. I'm going to set my pickup current to 2 and time dial to 0.1. So 2 multiply my current transformer ratio 100 is equal to 200. For instantaneous section, I would like to set my pickup current to 10 and corresponding delay to 0.2 second. Press OK. Go to Star Protection and Coordination section. Pick the relay. Create a star view. So as you can see, I have few curves here and understanding is little difficult. I have 50. So that means in instantaneous curve, I have 51, time inverse curve, and I have overload curve. So let's click on your relay in star view and go to OLR tab and try to turn off thermal protection, acceleration protection, and jam protection. So now I have two curves. These curves is my 51 time inverse curve, and this one is my instantaneous curve. So for the instantaneous curve, I can see the time, so maybe I have some solution to see the time. So let's go to plot section, go to access. My minimum time scale is 0.1. I have another choice, 0.01, and I can press OK. So now you can see I can see the time, or just for sake of a study, I can click on my curve and I can set this time maybe to 0.5 and press OK. And I can back to my curve and I can set my minimum scale to 0.1, the scale I had. So again, I can see the time. So let's consider another time. Double click on the relay and try to set the time to 1 and press OK. So now you can see my instantaneous time curve. So this red one, this orthogonal line is my instantaneous. As you can see, they are 50, and the number for the other curve is 51 time inverse. The first thing I would like to do is combine these two curves and see just one curve. To combine this curve, click on your relay and in OCR tab, try to choose integrated curve and press OK. So instead of two curves, here I can see one curve. To increase quality of the figure, I can press plot option. I can go to access and I can change my font size to 10 and press OK. So 10K multiply my current multiplier 100K is approximately 1000K amp. I'm going to cut this number a little. So I have definitely two choices. My first choice is go to access, remove auto scale, and set my multiplier to 10. So this one is my new current curve. Also, if you would like, you can click on your relay, go to TCCKA, choose the manual, and set the maximum current to some number. Let's assume 50K. So take a look. I try to cut my curve after 50K. 5 multiply 10, 50K. So let's do some observation here. I'm going to click on my relay and go to overcurrent section, overcurrent part. My pickup current is equal to 1 and the selected curve is C2. I'm going to change this one to C1. So take a look. What is the difference between C2 and C1 curve? I'm going to change this one to C3. And you can see the C3 curve and also C4. You can see C4 curves. So C4 curves jump up a lot. So this one is C3, extremely inverse. This one is C2, very inverse, and this one is C1, standard inverse. So let's stay with C2 standard inverse. My pickup current is 1. I can increase my pickup current or I can decrease my pickup current. So what's going on? Increase or decrease my pickup current. With increasing or decreasing my pickup current, I can move to the left or to the right side. So now take a look. My curve is moving to the right. If I try to decrease my pickup current, curve is moving to the left. So let's keep the pickup current to 2 amp. Same condition. I can think about pickup current for instantaneous section. Take a look. I'm going to increase the pickup current. So my instantaneous section is moving to the right section. So take a look. This one is the point my instantaneous protection is starting to work, 12.4. Let's set this one to 14. So this one is 14, or let's set to 16. So this one is my 16 point. If I try to reduce this one to 10, so this one is my number for 10. This one is my number for 8, and so on and so on. So with help of instantaneous pickup, you can move the orthogonal line to left or to right. So let's press OK. So I have my combine curve. If you would like to see some information about your relay, pick the relay and try to set the setting one. If you are going to increase the font size, right click, plot option, and change the font ID to 16, also label setting to 16, and press OK. So this one is my relay specification. So this one is my relay specification. Curve is 501, Schweitzer, CT ratio 500 to 5, and curve is C2, extremely inverse. Pickup current can be adjusted between 0.5 to 16, so on, so on, so on. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.